Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw USD at an RBC ATM. So if you want to withdraw US dollars, go to the ATM, click here on either withdrawal with receipt if you want the receipt, or you can do withdrawal with no receipt. I'll just go ahead and choose with receipt, and then you just go to enter the amount of cash you would like. Now make sure here at the bottom you select USD cash. Right now it is in Canadian. You just choose USD cash, and then you enter the amount of USD you want right there from any of these options, and then you hit OK. Of course, you can enter a custom amount as well. Then you hit OK. You'll see the amount you've requested, the exchange rate, and the Canadian dollar equivalent. Now, if you're okay with that, you just come here at the bottom right, and you click on Confirm Withdrawal, and it will go ahead and withdraw your US dollar. So click on that, and then you'll see a message that says Transaction Complete. Then you can click on I'm done. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.